welcome back to Banana Rocks, and today, I'm at Hy-Vee Olathe, around here. You see this mushroom speaker right here? I got it for my birthday because today's my birthday, yay! So we're gonna prank some people in the store. But this is like Mr. Beast.
To the speaker and makes fart sounds. So.
Yeah. So we're gonna say like, stop farting, but like just stare at them like.
Okay,
It's gonna be.
Sorry if you guys can't see that well, because I have to hold it by my hips because I don't want people to know that I'm videoing. So it's gonna look like this most of the time.
Okay.
But then I'll bring it up sometimes.
Maybe you want to do it like that, just so they're like kind of like slanted like that.
Like that.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so let's go.
Hold it like that, maybe like.
Yeah, so okay, let's go.
By the way, this is a funny thing that right here, that thing,
That can
it's kind of creepy.
It's weird. On this side, that the people are coming.
Yeah, this. Okay, let's go. Okay, come here. What now?
I did it.
No, Aubrey, you farted. Okay, let's do it.
This is disconnected. It's louder.
I know. Okay, we don't. Okay, let's just walk. Let's just walk past this guy.
This is not working that well, but it's working at least a little.
You guys can't really hear.
Disconnect.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Oh my gosh.
That time it actually worked.
You ready?
Yeah.
That one wasn't that loud.
Yeah.
Let's try that.
Right there, right there.
Okay, let's try it.
Just a reminder, I'm gonna keep making that sound.
That baby just looked at me. I was like, was that me?
What? What? Hey.
I just stared. Okay, guys, we almost. That girl just looked at us. So, oh, there's one. Okay. Say bye.
What?
This way. So we can be in the same aisle, and so they can actually hear. No, please.
Okay, that's. Okay, let's go. Say bye.
Hey YouTubers, I hope you like this video. Sorry this is a little short, but I'll see you next time. I hope you will subscribe, and I might make another of these. And I'll see you next time. Bye.